welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I got this look right here, then just keep watching. But hold on. Before you just like fast forward, be jumping all in, let me let you know something. This video right here, this one right here, was sponsored by
Crease.
Okay, alright, now let's go and hook up this video. What's up, everybody? It's your girl Savvy, and I'm back. Okay, so right here, I'm not even gonna hold you. I don't want you just sitting here like, okay, we've seen this process already. So here we go. Boom, bam, fast forward, we did brows. So now it's time for the eyeshadow palette, and right here I'm gonna be using this black and this green. And we're just gonna go ahead and mix both of them together. Make sure we blend that out later. Alright, so right here, I'm going to use the powder foundation that I use for my contour. And just make sure that's still evenly blended right there at the top of my brow. Alright, so right here, we're going to be using this green color in my NYX Bright eyeshadow palette. And we're just going to be blending that out. So right here, we're going to be using our P. Louise Rumor 0.5 base, and of course we are going to be cutting those creases. Alright, so right now we're actually going to be using about 5 different greens. I'm actually going to be taking those from the darkest colors to the lightest colors. Alright, so of course you already know I'm going to be doing my lashes off camera. So boom, bam, here we are, lashes done. And of course my camera had to cut off right there. So boom, we're just going to go straight into contour.
Blending out the contour, blending out the contour, blending out the contour, we're blending out the contour, we're skipping the foundation.
Alright, so right here we're just going to make sure we add just a little bit of that concealer just so we can add this under eye color. course, you already know we gotta make sure everything is completely blended with my Ruby Kisses mineral powder. She slaying.